The team of 10 lawyers was mandated to advise Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai on whether the government will have any role to play in the cases facing 4 Kenyan suspects at the International Criminal Court following the confirmation of charges against them. The team was to look into the government's obligations and rights under the Rome rules. Legal experts say given the recent turn of events, especially complaints by the ICC prosecutor Luis Moreno Campo that some of his witnesses were being intimidated, this issue is likely to feature prominently in the report. Yesterday, the Attorney General ordered top security agents and the Witness Protection Agency to investigate the complaints raised. Issues of cooperation between the government and ICC are likely to feature prominently too. Sources tell Citizen TV the legal advice to the Attorney General is also expected to feature the tough conditions or gagging orders the ICC imposed on the suspects, including the need for the suspects to avoid utterances that were likely to trigger violence or tension in the country. During their first appearance at The Hague last year, the suspects were also warned against making any direct or indirect contact with any person who is believed to be a victim or a witness in the cases. They were warned that breaching those conditions could attract arrest warrants.
Their continued liberty is subject to their non-engagement in incitements of violence or hate speech.
Last year, before the confirmation of charges hearings, the government had challenged the admissibility of the cases on the grounds that investigations into the alleged crimes were going on locally, but that application turned out to be futile. The legal team is expected to advise the Attorney General on whether a second attempt at challenging admissibility would also be an exercise in futility. The legal team was supposed to hand in its report on Monday last week, but members said they were not ready. They asked for more time, and the Attorney General gave them 7 more days. The team comprises Queen's Counsel Sir Geoffrey Nice and Rodney Dixon, who are both acting on behalf of the Kenyan government during the initial move to have the cases referred back to Kenya. Other lawyers in the team are Dr. Godfrey Musila, Fred Ojambo, Joe Okwach, Waweru Gatonye, Betty Murungi, Lucy Kambuni, Grace Wakio, and Dr. Henry Mwai. Alex Chamwada, Citizen Weekend.